Hi everybody and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Today I'm going to talk to you about this. This is the Kica jetFan. Back everyone. As a little intro, today I'm going to talk to you about this. This is the Kica jetFan. It does exactly what it says on the tin. It is basically just a fan, so it's for anything that you can think of to do with sort of inflation or dust blowing or hair drying or anything that you can sort of think of that you're going to need a little bit of robust power to get the job done. So this is really small. As you can see, my hand to the side there, and that's the size of the box, so the unit itself is going to be a lot smaller. Right, let's get this box open and show you what's inside. Okay, so when you first open the box, you're introduced to this. So this is your instruction manual, and I think that may be a warranty card with all the QR codes on the back. So it tells you everything that you need to know in English, and then obviously a couple more different languages as you go further through the manual. So let's go through what else we get. So this is the unit itself. Got mine in red, and it's a 2-button operation. So this is to use the product, and this is to turn it on, and then also cycle through the different speeds or different power outputs that it's got on there. It's got 4 different power outputs. I'll try and overlay photographs as I normally do. So in this little white box at the right end, is just the nozzle attachment, and then just a flat USB Type-C kit charging cable, and that is it. Everything that you get in the box. Right, so now we've gone through everything that we'll get in the box. We'll go through the functions and things of it. So to activate, you see the button on the bottom there. You just sort of press and hold that, and then you see some blue LED indicators telling you what power mode we're in. This is obviously the charging socket for the Type-C, but this is also, again, as I say, the cycle for the power output. So if you press it once, you see it's gone from 4 down to 3. And then obviously decreases and then fills back up as you need. Right, so we're going to start off on low mode and just sort of do a little bit of dust blowing on my desk here. I'll see if I've got something that I can spill, and I'll bring you back. So just starting off with a small amount, I've just got some spices from my cook set. So you can see it's quite a fine sort of dust, and we're in low mode, as you can see there by the blue LED indicator just on 1. So press the button to turn 1. Now I'm not pointing that directly at it. What I'm trying to do is show you the width of sort of blowing power. So I'm going round the edges of it just to sort of show you that it's picking it up from different angles instead of just going straight into it and then giving myself the sneezes. So yeah, what I'll do a little bit of dust blowing just on this edge. I'll try and blow it away. See, when I'm directly on it, you can see even on low mode, it's got quite a lot of disbursement there. So we'll just up it 1. So we're on the second, and again, you can hear a difference in the jet and coming in from a different angle. And you see what happens if we go directly on it. Literally made light work of that, didn't it? So yeah, cycling through, you can probably tell that it's going to end up blowing this all the way around my desk. So I'm going to get tidied up, and do something else with it. Okay, so we'll just go through what the box says about all the different uses. So you can see on the top there, it's got the sort of electronics equipment blower, so a bit of a dust blower from keyboards and things, inflating of balloons, just general displacement of water on electronic equipment, and then on the opposite side, inflation of sort of camping beds or big air beds, things like that. And then obviously a tool to help you stoke up the fire, so because obviously oxygen is one of the main elements of keeping a fire going. And there it's just using it as like a standard fan, so while you're out and about and it's a bit too hot, using it as a fan. Now I've also seen or also thought about using this as a hairdryer, so I'm hopefully going to get some images of my wife using this as a hairdryer later on in the video. But for now I'm going to go and inflate one of the camping beds. Right, so I've just come up to my children's bedroom to show you this, and then sort of hopefully inflating this. So this is like my little boy's snuggle bed, so I'm just going to adjust the angle and show you inflating. Okay, so I'm going to do this on the highest setting. If you can see on there the 4 blue LED indicators. So I'll just make sure that all the air is out by releasing the tap valve, and then we're just going to go from the nozzle just there. As you can see, made light work of that. And that's the bed fully inflated. It's like a 3/4 inflatable bed with like a snuggy penguin pillow type thing with it. So it's got the wings on the side as well, and it's really quite sturdy now. Okay, so overall thoughts on this. It works for what it's intended. So inflating and dust blowing and things like that. With the hair drying, it could do with like a heat setting, just so that it could dry the hair a little bit quicker. It would take a hell of a long time if you had long hair to dry your hair with this, but it would work all in the same. And also the next improvement would be some more different nozzle attachments, just so that you've got a variation of different things that you can connect to. So sleeping pads, inflatable mattresses, you know, armbands and things for poolside things. But that's the only two downsides that I can see with this. Could do with a heat setting, and also could do with some interchangeable nozzles. Okay, so this has been a review of the Kica jetFan. And all its features and different uses that I could think of. There'll be a link to purchase one of these directly from Kica in the description box below. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it's helped you, let me know how it's helped you in the comments. And if you're not already, please consider subscribing to the channel by pressing the circle in the middle. And I'll leave some more videos either side for you. I'll see you in the next one.